Hi, I'm so happy to shoot this video because my friend Bhumi is about to get married and we're throwing her bridal shower today. So, in less than 2 hours, I'll be at the venue. It's all set, it's all prepped. I just have to pick a couple of things on the way, which almost makes me consider event management as a viable career choice. It's so fun. You get to tell people what to do, what not to do. You have authority over things. So I feel it's heaven for a well-meaning control freak. Also, it's all worth it because it's for Bhumi. She's a great friend, and I just hope that today makes into her long list of best days that she's about to have. So all the activities that I've planned for today, I've gotten them in print, so it's more convenient there. Other than that, I really wish that the girls find these games enjoyable because they have no idea what we're gonna do. But yeah, I just really hope that it is as fun as it is in my head. 2 seconds in, he nearly wrote "and" instead of "to". They matched the decor almost exactly to the inspo pictures, like 90%. They really outdid themselves. Everything was pastel, totally on theme, and it looked lovely.
Who's that, Bhumi? You're matching with the board. Yeah, and we did not even plan that.
The celebration started 2 hours late, but hey, that's girlhood in a nutshell.
Aja, Bhumi.
I'm ready. Mr. Mrs. Shy, a little coy. Oh, shy और coy. यही सुनना चाहती थी मैं. Shy और coy. Happy bridal shower to you. Happy bridal shower to you. Happy bridal shower to you.
Most of us met for the first time today, but it didn't feel like it at all. We clicked instantly, everyone was so sweet and wholesome, which totally makes sense since Bhumi is the one connecting us all. She has been the common link between us, and she's so thoughtful, genuine, undeniably charismatic. So, for the few hours that all of us were together, the place was filled with laughter, positivity, and great vibes in general.
मुझे भी नहीं पता. मुझे तो कुछ भी नहीं आता.
Can we take a moment to appreciate how sincere the girls were being while playing this game? They had to write wedding related words from A to Z, and everyone was jotting them down like it was the test of their life.
Arushi. Caught in 4K HD.
Nice.
Very important शादी में.
फुलकारी. What's फुलकारी? दुपट्टा है. जैसे मैंने
जूते छुपाई.
जगराता.
Okay.
नाइस. और प्राण ने लिखा है ज्वेलरी.
मैंने भी ज्वेलरी लिखा है. ठीक है. के.
कंगन. ओह शिट. It still stands.
fun.
It still stands.
पानीपुरी वाला.
So there's this one pani puri thela that she goes to, and then we were craving for it.
कहाँ पे
So we were going for इसके घर के पास में ही है. So we went for a long drive, and then we again went for specially for that, and again we were again like going a lot of to and fro.
मैं बोलूँगा तो मुझे बहुत डांट पड़ने वाली है. तभी मैं समझ गई कि स्वाति से बात हुई है.
Okay, so we're doing some question and answer round where Rachit has already answered these questions for Bhoms, and now she's gonna ask it one by one, and let's see how much does it match. All right, let's go.
What's Arshit's favorite color? Blue. Cats or dogs? Cats. Oh yeah. 2 on 2.
we both are cat people, पर हम बताते नहीं है क्योंकि बहुत जजमेंट मिलता है सोसाइटी में. We love dogs too, but नहीं था. But yeah, cats we do.
But I want.
You know that the camera's on and you go like this. And I'm back here. I don't know what I'm talking about.
Okay. What's the one word he would use to describe you?
Beautiful.
So obvious, Archit.
नहीं देखा मैंने. उनको दिखा. कैमरा को दिखा दो.
Answer, guys. It's beautiful.
वो भी इसने प्रिंट करा है. वो लिंक है.
What's his dream vacation destination?
You, mommy, you.
Japan.
Gosh.
It's Japan.
Good, yeah.
If he could eat one meal for the rest of his life, what would it be?
Chicken.
He said it just as fast as she did.
Chicken.
ऐसे ही multiple बार बोला था उसने. I can't believe that he said it 4 times in a row.
Chicken.
Exactly. ठीक है. Who is his celebrity crush?
Rosie Huntington Whiteley.
Or
Wow.
Indian?
Deepika Padukone.
He gave both the answers and she's right.
My God.
Bye.
How much would Avi would get?
What's his guilty pleasure in case of consuming content?
Meaty, sweets, chocolates. Milano biscuits.
Content.
Cringe content देखता है वो बॉडी बिल्डर्स और ये सब वाले गंदे की चड्डी पहन रजत दलाल एंड क्या नाम है मिट्टू डॉन रजत दलाल की चड्डी पहन
यार
अरे इंस्टा पे नहीं है लिए.
अच्छा वो ये दिखा.
He's off Insta. हाँ.
If he had a superpower, what would it be?
reading people's minds.
Yes.
Oh my God.
Stepped into his shoes and thought like
I mean,
reading people's
I mean, I need to ask all of these questions. We need to play this with our guys.
Forward this to us also. We'll ask our husbands and then let's get right.
100%.
What's his favorite memory from childhood?
Maybe getting a guitar and playing it.
Huh?
Very nice.
First electric guitar.
Good one, guys. Good one.
This one will make her cry. Okay. Does he take after his mom or dad?
Dad, I think.
I think he believes he would have said mom.
And what do you think?
I think neither.
Achha, he thinks it's mom. Okay, what was his childhood dream job?
To become a pilot.
To become a pilot. Okay. Where did you go on your first anniversary?
Ooh, interesting. याद ही नहीं है इतना
ये गलत पे खोले वो.
And he remembered it like it was yesterday.
क्योंकि मैंने उसको थोड़े दिन पहले लेक्चर दिया था कि तुम्हें याद नहीं है और ये We went on a cafe hopping date, I think. है ना?
Cafe.
बुडापेस्ट बेक हाउस गए थे हम. एक आइस क्राफ्ट और समथिंग लाइक दैट.
Ice-cream factory.
यस. नहीं आइसक्रीम फैक्ट्री नहीं था, कुछ और नाम था उसका. आइस ही था कुछ, बट या.
कौन सा शहर है?
बॉम्बे में.
मैं भी यही सोच रही थी.
And one more place for coffee. I think we went to DiBello or some coffee by DiBello.
All the three places are right.
Oh my gosh. Wow.
16th. Who said I love you first?
Him, of course. I mean, why
Duh.
question?
What's his most romantic? What's his most romantic gesture so far?
He's quite romantic. सारे gestures अच्छे होते हैं उसके. But yeah, I don't know if he said the same, but he surprised me once. He's only been able to surprise me once in all these 6, 7, 8 years. और एक बार वो मुझे बस बिना बताए, हाँ मैं एक पार्टी में जा रहा हूँ. I'm like okay. 2 hours later I call him, बोलता मैं तेरे घर के नीचे खड़ा हूँ. He was supposed to be in Bombay. I was in Bhopal. एकदम आके मेरे घर के नीचे खड़ा है रात को 11:30 बजे. I'm like what the hell? तब पहली बार मुझे लगा कि oh I'm surprised. एकदम एक धड़कन रुक गई एक सेकंड में. What happened? How are you here? So for me, I think that was that.
For him, it was that too.
Good one, guys. Good Good one.
So he came from Mumbai to surprise. और वैसा ही similar है when he came from China to surprise. So yeah. But China में मुझे फिर भी I had an idea of when he was coming. तो disbelief कि इसको China के time में तो बिल्कुल पता है. He did not know our girl is too smart. What's his favorite thing about you?
About me, I think I believe my dimples, maybe.
We have a long answer.
Okay.
Her confidence.
हाँ बोलने वाली थी मैं that he thinks maybe I'm a bit brave in the face of adversity and all, and I'm way too confident, he thinks. ज़्यादा हो तुम, उसको लगता है. But he says he likes that about me, and he also likes that I can get along with his family. He's told me. Sweet tweet तो मैं नहीं कहूँगी क्योंकि वो नहीं है.
बोला भी नहीं तुझे इसलिए. So it's her confidence. She's very sympathetic, empathetic. She's in touch with her emotions. Beautiful smile. Even more beautiful eyes. She always tells the truth.
Swooning.
If you are her friend, she'll always think about you.
That's very true. Cute. So cute.
Last, who's the funny one?
Of course I am. I'm the the funniest person in the room always, but no, amongst us, Archit.
Who's more romantic?
I am. बोला उसने. He is.
Cute for you, man.
नहीं वो है funny.
I'll give the answers.
Okay.
Archit said he's the funny one and she's the romantic one.
हाँ see वो funny है ज़्यादा.
वो ज़्यादा funny.
मुझे तो बॉम्बड़ा ज़्यादा.
Right?
I agree.
I think it's subjective
humor. हाँ.
Maybe.
These were 20 questions and I think she passed with flying colors.
My gosh. मतलब word I can't say ना मतलब
हाँ, only acting.
वरमाला.
शादी
हो गई. विदाई.
नहीं उससे पहले
डोली ले जाना.
नहीं यार वेट शादी तक तुमने बोल दिया ना. दूल्हा
डेकोरेशन.
हाँ उसके सामने जब खड़े होते हैं.
रिसेप्शन.
ओके
रिसेप्शन. वरमाला.
नहीं वहीं पता है.
रिसेप्शन.
ये रिसेप्शन हो रहा है इसका. लाइव कमिंग.
लिफाफा दे रहे.
हाँ मतलब उसी को.
गिफ्टिंग.
हाँ यस.
वेडिंग गिफ्ट.
हाँ, close.
इंग्लिश ब्रैकेट में एक मिनट क्लोज क्या
Wedding gift ही था.
ब्रैकेट में वेडिंग गिफ्ट ही लिखा था.
Yeah,
it's fine. वेडिंग गिफ्ट.
हाँ, Lana will get this.
that खाना beautiful, young and beautiful. खाना चल रहा है.
Khana Del Rey is killing it.
Lamborghini. Right.
And that's a wrap. The groom-to-be made a special appearance. We ended the perfect day on a happy note. Thank you so much for watching.